Hi everyone, Muriel here. This evening I wanted to come and quickly show you guys these cute little Valentine candy cones that I made. As I mentioned, this weekend I am in the throes of making lots of Valentine treats. So let me show you what I did. These Valentine cones are absolutely adorable. I use the WRMK Do-It-Yourself Party Board, and I'll show you that to make the cone, but I'm sure you can find a pattern on the internet, or you probably could do it without a pattern that you can cut these out with. I just put some cut-aparts on top. I did it with some gems, and then I shoved the candy on the inside and crepe paper, and then I just cut out a 1-inch strip and attached it to the cone with my tiny attacher. So the paper that I'm using is a very familiar paper pad. I've used it for 2 years now. I still have lots left, and I will continue to use it because it is so pretty. You can just kind of see up top here the light green, the soft pink, the tan color, very, very soft. I've altered Valentine boxes with this. I've made cards with it. Love it. It's the crepe paper Love Notes. And this is the board I spoke about. I picked this up at Tuesday morning several months ago. But it is a board, a party board. So if you're having a party and you want to make treat bags, this is the tool for you. You can make the party hats, regular and mini, cupcake wraps, French fry cones, cotton candy cones, coffee sleeves, snow cone wraps, treat pouches, ice cream cone wraps, etc. So really, really easy, and I'll probably do a tutorial sometime in the future. But I used that. I just cut them all out, taped one side, attached them together, used some trims and things in my stash. Again, these cut-aparts I had from a couple of years ago. I used some pearls on the side. And again, they're all stuffed with candy. They're all different. I used the paper from the collection. This is one of those hearts that was on my table back there that I'm using. Some of the trim that I'm using. I just covered the closure with a piece of white lace. Put the candy inside. This one here said, "You've stolen a pizza of my heart." Absolutely adorable. Here is one here. A different kind of lace. Some of the red felt hearts that I picked up at Target. I only have eyes for you. More of the red hearts along the side. Candy inside. So really, really cute. And here's one that says, "Do not ever let me go." Some more of the beautiful lace, some pink felt trim that I picked up at Target. And again, the handles were just a strip. I tried to make them all different. So I made several of these. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I hope you guys tried them. Again, they're what I'm calling Valentine candy cones. And they are fun to make. And again, I used the crepe paper, Love Notes paper collection, and the pattern I got. I cut it out using the We Are Memory Keepers DIY Party Board. So I do have another project in mind that I've already started. Let me show you a glimpse of what it looks like. I'm going to make some mini loaded envelopes. Mini loaded paper bags, excuse me. And that's just the start of it here. It has the pockets here and, of course, the inside there. And, yeah, so really enjoying Valentine. Again, you guys, I am definitely using my stash that's behind me. I don't know how much of a dent I'm putting in it, but I enjoy the fact that I have it right there and I can just pull from it and use it. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more projects for Valentine's Day, because I'm going to be just creating them as I see fit. So until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.